I am cracking up. I had to get something after that amazing performance, guys. I got a peach for Titus, a cherry for Malachi, and a banana split bowl for myself. That's my banana split, y'all. It's looking so good. Uncle Mouse, or my brother, I call him Uncle Mouse. Uncle Mouse has come to help me carry the slushies.
No one.
That's peach for Titus.
What kind is that?
That's a peach slushie. And then Malachi got a raspberry. Oh, cherry. Thank you. This ice cream doesn't stand a chance today. It's so hot. It's so good, guys. She did a really good job. I got like a scoop of chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, whipped cream. I mean, everything. Bananas at the bottom, fudge,
ice cream on TikTok?
whipped cream.
Are you really about to post ice cream on TikTok?
Absolutely.